Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to take you guys along on how I made my beautiful coffee table centerpiece, a DIY project, everything from the Dollar Tree, easy, affordable, and above all beautiful. I start with this rift and this mirror. The mirror is in a hexagon shape, and I'm going in with this ribbon. I'm going to attach it with my glue gun, and I just want it to go round the reef. This is a wooden reef. I don't know if I should call it a reef. Yes, it is. It is round, and I just want to place the ribbon round it. I'll let that dry for about some seconds, and I'm just going to make sure the ribbon goes all round, even and neat. I'll cut that, and I'm going to put that in place to secure it with my glue gun. And for each step with the glue gun, I try to give it a couple of seconds to cool down, and so my work is not messy. I'm just going to go ahead and attach my reef to the mirror. I'm going to go in with my cones. These are cones I spray painted with glitter from my previous dining table project. A video of that, I have it on my channel. It's a dining table DIY I made for Christmas. I'm going to first arrange the cones and see how I want it to look like. Then I go in with my glue gun and I attach them on the sides of the mirror. Those are the edges of the mirror. I'll attach the cones on them, my pine cones. I also hold that in place because it's the edge until it cools down and I know it's properly attached. I'll repeat the process with the cones till all of them are finally installed. I'm going to let that cool down, and while it's cooling down, I'm going to go in with some plastic tiny trees and attach them to the side. There's no Christmas without the tree, and I have these snowy trees. I'm going for an aesthetically pleasing look. I don't want overpowering colors. I want my Christmas decor to match the decor of my living room, and I don't want to go in with so many colors. Stick them down, also holding them in place so that they dry properly and don't pop out. Remember, when using the glue gun, you have to be extremely careful because the glue is very hot and can also burn you. I'll leave that to dry for some seconds, and I'm going to go in with the next decoration. I just have this little pine branch from an old DIY project, and I'm just going to put some glue to it and hold it down at the side, that's inside of our piece, and some little leftover gold pieces from another DIY project. I'm just going to add that to it. I have this gold leaf also from another old project. I'll keep adding that just to add to the theme of the decor, that is gold, green, brown. And now I have this Christmas tree decoration, these stars. I use them also for the formal dining table project. These are the leftovers. I'm going to go ahead, use the glue gun and attach them on the rift I just want that bling to it. This is very easy, affordable, on a budget, and you're going to have a piece you can't find anywhere. So unique, inexpensive, and if I had to get this in the shop, I'll be talking about 30 euros to 35 euros for that piece. I'm holding it in place because I can see the pine pushing it away. So on some pieces, I have to hold them in place till they dry up. We are going in now with our last piece, and I'm just going to attach it to the top of that branch to put a final touch to our piece. Now I'm going to add a candle in the middle because there's nothing like the warmth of Christmas. I would like to light a candle, hold a cup of tea, and sit down by the coffee table, or a cup of coffee to be precise, if I drank coffee. And this wooden candle I also got from a thrift store, very inexpensive. I'm going to place that in the middle. I don't want to attach that because once the candle runs out, I'm going to replace it, and I just want that space free. You can go ahead and add some decorated stones to the middle to give it a better look. That's the end of our project, and this is how it turned out. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, look at that. Very inexpensive, and I made that. Yeah, I love it so much. Thanks for watching. Please, if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe, join my family. Love you guys.